How to use Cash App, send and receive with Cash App full tutorial. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to utilize Cash App for sending and receiving money. This app enables you to send and receive money to almost everyone without any charges. You can use the Cash App directly from here, rather than going through the App Store or Google Play Store, and proceed to download it. Now, let's open the app. Typically, the initial page you'll encounter is the green money page, where you can request and pay. Let's begin with the payment process. Suppose I want to pay $10. I can simply click on the $10 and then press Pay. This will take me to a page asking, who do you want to send it to? And what is it for? You can input the necessary information here, such as someone's name, their cash tag, phone number for a text, along with the payment description. At the top, where it shows $10, you can click on it to select the payment source, either your connected bank account or your cash balance. I'll show you how to set up both options in a moment. Now, let's move on to requesting money. It's quite similar. Enter the amount. In this case, it's $10. Click on Request and follow the same steps as when sending money. Provide the necessary details and click on Request. That's all it takes on this page to send and receive money. If you click the box on top, you can use it to scan someone's code. So if someone shows you their code, you can easily scan it. The profile option will also show your cash code, the one mentioned on the previous page. Now that we know how to request money and make payments to others, let's explore some options at the bottom of the page. The whole icon displays your available balance, where you can add or cash out funds. Below that, you have the options for cash, Bitcoin, and the bank. I opted to add Chase credit card by pressing Add Credit Card in this case. So you can perform the same action by adding a credit card. If you choose this option and use a credit card, there will be a 3% fee as it involves a major credit card. However, if you opt out for bank option, you can connect your bank account and avoid any fees. Alternatively, you can select the cash option and add a cash balance from your bank account, eliminating the need to worry about fees. Moving on to the home page, you'll notice the credit card option, which grants you access to the cash card. By pressing Get Free Cash Card, you can create a card with rewards. Each time you use this card, you'll receive different benefits, such as $10 back on visit to fast food chains or casual restaurants, for example. More details on this are available here. Next, you have the cash option, which we've already covered. Adjacent to that, you can engage in buying and selling Bitcoin. The current Bitcoin price is also displayed. Lastly, in the corner, you'll find the Activities tab, which I'll blur out since it reveals all app activities. And that's how you can send and receive with Cash App full tutorial.